Okay, I want you to listen to this. Alright, not only that, this scene is not real, even the back sound is not real. So this entire video was created by AI, and you can do that in less than 10 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an ASMR video just like this one using various free AI tools, and it's actually pretty easy. Okay, the first step that you must do is that we have to create a picture of the scene, and in this case, I'm going to recreate this picture once again. And you can use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, but personally, I do recommend to use a tool called Reve.art. So this is the URL, Reve.art. And the reason why I love using this tool is that it's very good at creating a professional look of the picture. So in ChatGPT, usually you're going to get a more yellowish picture. I think that's just the signature style of ChatGPT. But on Reve.art, usually the picture looks more professional, looks more fresh, and I think it's going to be perfect for the pine forest scene that I'm going to create. Alright, after that you can create an account for free, and it will give you several credits a day, which I think is more than enough to create several pictures. After that, you can click the create menu right here, and you can write the prompt. So for this example, I'm going to use this AI prompt, and don't worry, all the prompts will be available in the video description. I'm going to be using the same prompt that I used to create this scene. And by the way, I was getting the inspiration from this picture. This is actually a real picture, and I'm extracting the prompt from this picture, and I get something that's quite similar. And after that, I'm going to paste the prompt right here. Again, you can use a different prompt if you want to create a different scene. And here, the setting that I'm going to use is that I'm going to be using 16:9 aspect ratio. I will create maybe just 2 images, and auto enhance is on, and the seed number is just automatic. And after that, you can send the message to Reve AI. It will create 2 images, and you can choose which one that you want to download and then later turn into a video. And if you're not happy, you can actually copy the prompt again, and you can recreate more pictures. So I think these are amazing. They do look pretty great, but I guess I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm going to select this and click the download button. Alright, now the picture has been downloaded to my computer. It's time to turn this into a video. Okay, so the tool that I'm going to use to turn a picture into a video is VO2 in Google AI Studio. So you have to navigate to aistudio.google.com. This is the URL, and again, I'm going to leave all the links, all the tools in the video description so you can check them out. After that, you can sign in using your Google account, and you can navigate to generate media and then click VO. So right now, it is the best AI model for creating video. I think you can use Kling AI or Sora, but personally, when it comes to physics, VO2 is way ahead. And by the way, if you're doing this for the first time, it might ask you to give access to Google Drive, because the videos that are going to be created will be stored on your Google Drive account. So make sure to give it permission. And after that, you can click on this button and then click upload image. And then you can select the picture that you want to turn into a video. I'm going to select this picture. And then you can describe, or you can create the prompt. I'm going to be using this simple prompt, just trees and fog moving slowly and gently, and the camera is static. So this is the prompt. Quite simple actually. And after that, you can take a look at some settings, like you can choose the model. Right now there's only VO2. You can select the number of results or the number of videos, and aspect ratio I'm going to be with 16:9, video duration 8 seconds, and yeah, I guess that's basically it. And click run. So this will take about, I think, just 2 minutes, actually less than 1 minute most of the time. Sometimes you'll see this, and usually if I click run again, it still works for some reason. Okay, it doesn't work, but I'm going to try again. Okay, apparently I just hit my limit, so I guess I'm going to be using a different account to create a video using the picture, and I'll show you the result very soon. Alright, now it is working. I just keep hitting the run button multiple times and suddenly it worked. It actually can happen, and I have created many videos using using VO2 in Google AI Studio, and yeah, you'll see a lot of problems. But somehow, if you just keep clicking the run button, suddenly it works. So I don't know what's going on, but I guess maybe you just need to wait and then try again. Okay, it should be done any second now. Usually it will take less than one minute to create a video. Alright, so I'm going to click this and I'm going to play the video. Alright, that's really good. I really like the result. Now, if you're happy with the result, you can click the download button. Now we got this video on my computer. So the next thing that we need to do is that we have to add some audio or background for this video, because right now it is just silent. And the tool that I do recommend is called Giz AI. Giz AI, this is the URL. And it basically allows you to create some audio sound effect for free using this stable diffusion model. Now, unfortunately, again, I hit my limit because I do a lot of different testing, and that's why I cannot do it now. However, if I open this website on an incognito window, suddenly it does work. So basically, once you're on the website, you can click features, navigate features basically, and then click AI audio tools, and then AI audio generator. And then here you can describe the audio that you want to create. I'm going to show you the prompt. This is the prompt. It's actually quite long. And again, the prompt is available in the video description. And then click generate audio. Now just wait for this tool to generate the audio sound effect for the video. Again, you can always modify the prompt. You can, make some sound to be more pronounced than others, but this is the one that I use on my demo. And there you go. So this is the result. You can actually play the audio right here. Okay, I'm quite happy with the result. You can click on this button and then click download. And click save. Alright, now after that, I'm going to close this. So basically, we have to combine the audio with the video. And you can use any video editing tool, but in this case, I'll try to use canva.com. It is free, and I think a lot of people will find it to be easy to use. And then I'm gonna go with, let's say, YouTube thumbnail. Actually, you can also click video, but I'm gonna go with the thumbnail because the aspect ratio and the dimension is exactly the same as the video, which is 1280 by 720 pixel. And after that, I'm going to click the upload menu, and I'm going to just upload the video and also the audio that I just created using AI. Now just wait until these two files are uploaded to the platform. Again, you can always use basically any video editor. It doesn't really matter. I'm just using Canva because it is on the browser and also very easy to use. Now that the videos and audio have been uploaded, I'm going to insert this video. I'm going to right click and then set video as a background. And after that, I'm going to enable duration. And I'm going to right click, duplicate. I'm going to right click, duplicate again, and once again. There you go. After that, I'm going to add some transition between scene. So I will hover my cursor above this area and then click add transition. And I'll select dissolve. And I'm going to set it to be, let's say, 1 second. And after that, I'm going to click apply between all pages. Now, all the scenes will have that transition, which is pretty good. And after that, let's go back to the upload menu, click audio, and I'm going to drag and drop this audio into this timeline. There you go. So I'm going to reduce the audio volume a bit, maybe to around, let's say 60–70%, something like that. And you can click this button to preview the result. Alright, I think that's pretty good. And if you're done with the editing, you can click this button and then click download, and then make sure that the format is MP4. The quality is, I guess I'm going to be using 720p, which is the same as the video resolution. And after that, you can click this all pages. You want to download all the scenes. Oh, sorry about that. Download all the scenes, and after that click the download button. So Canva will render the video and will create a file, the MP4 file, and will download that file to your computer. Alright, so this is the video, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. So that's basically it. That's how you can create a pine forest ASMR video using AI in about 10 minutes. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.